Did you know that people in Lebanon now break into banks with guns just to get their own money back? This tiny country once controlled $170 billion from across the Arab world. Lebanese banks were like Switzerland, but for the Middle East. They had secret numbered accounts and asked no questions about where money came from. Gulf oil money, drug cartel cash, and Iranian funds all flowed through Beirut. People called it the Paris of the Middle East because it connected East and West financially. But in 2019, everything collapsed. The Lebanese pound lost 90% of its value overnight. Banks froze everyone's savings. Now, depositors literally raid their own banks at gunpoint to withdraw money. Lebanon has 18 different religions sharing power, with Christians and Muslims splitting top government jobs. Hezbollah runs its own separate economy. Syrian refugees now outnumber Lebanese citizens. The collapse is so bad that Gulf states are scrambling to find new places to hide their money. The small nation's banking crisis now threatens the entire Middle Eastern economy.